Do you want to know how to make money online? Do you want to work from home? Or do you just want an additional income? Have you heard about freelancing? How about blogging? Drop shipping? There are a ton of ways to make money online. Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we will talk about income opportunities, side hustles, online income stream, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money. For today's video, we will talk about the easiest. There are two different ways to make money online. The first way is a work-from-home job. If you're making money through this method, it's like a regular 9-to-5 job or full-time job. The only difference is that you are doing it online. Only the work you do gets paid. It's as simple as that. If you don't work, you don't make money. The second way is to make money while you sleep. This is a wonderful way to make money because all you have to do is put in the work once and the money should keep coming in without you having to do anything more than maybe promoting what you've made or, in some cases, what other people have made. There are a lot of online businesses or websites that can let you earn cash. If you are looking for ways to make money online, better watch this video until the end because we will reveal to you the methods and websites that could let you earn hundreds of dollars easily. Let's get started. Number 1. Drop shipping. With drop shipping, you basically sell someone else's stuff for a small or big profit without having to deal with shipping. The basic idea behind drop shipping is that you set up a store or some other way for people to buy things from you. Then, when they buy something from you, you pay the manufacturer, usually for a lot less than you paid for it, and have the manufacturer ship it to the customer. So you are basically playing the role of a broker or middleman. You can do this by opening a store on Shopify and then connecting it to Oberlo. Oberlo is an app that works with Shopify, and a lot of people use it to find things to sell in their stores. All of this without you ever being able to see or touch the product. The best thing about drop shipping is that you can set your own price for the product you want to sell. You can then keep the money you make and send the rest to the manufacturer. So yeah, that's drop shipping. Easy money with little to no effort. Number 2. Freelancing. Freelancing provides your services to other people. With freelancing, you must work independently. Depending on your agreement with your client, you are paid based on a project, per hour, per task arrangement. The skills and services you must learn with freelancing include article writing, voice acting, video editing, app development, and coding. You can also do animations, logo design, packaging design, web and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture and floor planning, 3D models and product design, t-shirts and merchandising, SEO, and a lot more. There are a lot of websites that post freelance jobs. This includes Upwork, LinkedIn, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These are the top websites that you can explore. With freelancing, it is easy to make money. You just have to be good at something and offer your skills to the client. To make money as a freelancer online, you need to put together a strong portfolio. To start, you might have to do some free work for some reputable mid-level brands. Once you have a strong portfolio, you can reach out to potential big clients to earn more money online. Remember that freelancing is a numbers game. The more personalized emails and applications you send, the more likely you will get a reply. Number 3. Sell digital goods. You can sell your digital goods, which will earn you bucks of cash. You can go and visit Shutterstock.com. Shutterstock is basically an online marketplace where you can buy or sell digital media like pictures, music, and short videos. So, if you're really good at photography and taking great photos and videos, you might be a good fit. Or if you're really good at making sick beats, you can use Shutterstock to make money from your skills. When someone buys one of your pictures through Shutterstock, you get a commission, which is usually a few cents to a few dollars. If you're lucky, you need to keep uploading high-quality photos to make a lot of money with Shutterstock. Number 4. Create a YouTube channel. You have heard about this a lot. Do you know why? Because YouTube pays a lot of money just by being a content creator. You can earn hundreds to thousands of dollars monthly. In essence, YouTube is in the business of getting people to look at their site, and in exchange, they give you, the content creator, a cut of what they make. This means that actual companies pay YouTube a lot of money, billions of dollars, to run their ads on the platform. Every time someone plays your video, a video ad pops up first. In that way, you can earn money. Other than that, you can earn a lot through YouTube too. If you want to learn more about this, we have a video that reveals the best way to make money on YouTube. Just click the link in the description box. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and you love our topics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Number 5. Become an influencer. You can now become an influencer not just on Facebook, but on every social media, including YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Since the global pandemic, more people have switched to working as influencers. Companies and businesses pay you a good amount of money. To become an influencer, you just think about good content that could attract followers. You don't need to be a celebrity to start as an influencer. A lot of people are already well known online, even though they are not seen on television before. Becoming famous on social media is now easier than ever. Especially with TikTok's algorithm, you can get famous instantly. When you have established a page or account with good quality, you can start receiving contracts to be a product influencer. You just must upload videos about the product. And that's it. Number 6. Become an online tutor. This is also a famous way to earn money online. If you are a teacher, why not consider this as a side hustle? Or better yet, you can make this as a full-time job. For this kind of job, you must have a degree or experience in a language. Science and math tutoring jobs are often in high demand, but English is also a subject that people worldwide want help with. If you know a lot about a certain subject and patient with learners, tutoring could be a good way to make money quickly. Number 7. Sell items online. Selling items online is now easier with our modern technology. If you have a talent for creating stuff and goods, you can sell them online. If you don't know how to create, Look for a supplier that gives discount on bulk items, and then you can sell them for a higher price. You can create your own website where you will place all your goods or just post it on social media. Boost your post, and then that's it. Wait for customers to message you. The advantage of selling online is that you can sell your goods 24/7. You don't have to open and close a store like the usual brick-and-mortar business. Plus, you won't have to pay for place rentals, electric bills, and staff because everything is now automated. Easy and profitable, right? With our modern technology, making money online is now easier. If you want to have a side hustle and you want to work from home, you might want to try these ways that we could told you about. Give us a feedback if these worked. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you have a more easy ways to earn money online? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.